get the fuck out.
Okay. Hello, people. Welcome to the Vortex. I'm just gonna check if I am online and people can actually see me, other than not see me, because I want them to see me. So, if you don't know who I am Vedant Chauhan. I'm the co-founder of the Vortex. And basically what our idea is, we design the games, we program the games, we make what the game is, but you guys are the deciding factor of how the game will go. You guys decide how the story goes, you guys decide how everything's meant to go, and you decide the mechanics, I just design and program them. That's what our idea is, and that's what we're gonna keep developing on. Right now it's game design day 7 today, and I'm just gonna change the name online so people can actually know that if you can hear me. Wait, let me just check, because sometimes I've had a problem of the mic going. Let me just check, because sometimes I've had a problem of mic is perfect. Okay, that's fine then. Okay, so first thing first, what was I doing? Yeah, currently we are developing a game called Mind Within. It's a game I developed in my second year. That was my bad, sorry. It's a game I developed in my second year, and it's basically about. Give me one second. Coffee. Basically, what our idea about the stream, what our idea about the game is, I designed it in 2D, right, and with some people as a team, and I designed it in 2D, and what I want to do is, channel. Yeah, I'm just gonna change the name because it's game design. I've got one viewer. Hello, whoever's watching. How are you? I'm just gonna change the names. Sorry guys, wait 1 second. Today's day 7. Oh, it's officially a week of us programming. Wait, what? Why is it? It doesn't need. What? Steam info failed to update. Why did you do that? Let's try it. Okay, that's weird. It's basic. It's saying that it failed to update, which is never usually happens. But that's fine. Let me try again. Oh, it's done. Hey, bye. Alright, let's load the game up, and I'm gonna show what the game looks like right now. I've got 2 views, damn. That's an all-time high. Hello, whoever's watching. I'm Vedant Chauhan. I'm the co-founder of the Vortex, and you're watching Vortex Streams. Thank you for whoever's joining. It's back to 1. Yeah. Alright, the game is loading and we can start working on it afterwards. Yeah. Have you guys seen the Deadpool and Wolverine yet? Oh my damn, I love that movie. I've been trying to nail the Gambit voice, by the way. I've been trying to get the right accent for Gambit, and this is what I've got until now. Oh, about to make a name for myself. That's pretty much it. Wait, how does it say? How does he say it? Let me just look at YouTube. Let's look at together, right? And I'll try to nail the voice.
Look at you. You look like a superhero version of Hawkeye.
The name is Remy Labo. The Diable Blanc. But you can call me the Gambit.
It's been a while since I've seen Sling Blade. Hit me again.
They call me the Gambit.
Do they? Are you sure you didn't just really, really want them to, but it never quite worked out?
They, we never had a Wolverine up in here. But I can tell you now, it's just a common courtesy to ask before you drink up all of my liquor.
Well, it's a good thing I don't give a fuck.
Go young to
That wasn't really. Let me see.
What's he done now? I'll just write you a check for whatever he took.
We just.
For myself, yeah.
Okay, you know how long I've been waiting for this? Ooh, I'm about to make a name for myself. Sounds like an Indian version of Gambit. Because Indian guilty as charged. Alright, let's get back to the game. This is what the game looks like till now. I did get an idea of making it more cartoony. Because this is currently looking very realistic and we don't want it to look that realistic, so I'm gonna try to change the texture a bit, make it a bit blacker. So yeah, that's the other world. We just need to bake that. That's fine. That's for later things. So let's try to. First things first, I'm gonna make the kit a bit more, so I can actually edit things in there. So rather than this, obviously, I'm gonna try make this a bit less realistic rather than this realistic. So don't need that. Don't need that. What am I exactly thinking? I'm thinking about the color of everything, right? The color needs to be perfect. Because since I should have my textures. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to load the other Mind Within from 2.5D because I should have the same textures from before. Let's try that and we can see how is it going. How can we see how it went. One viewer, yeah. Hey one viewer, do you wanna put a chat in or something? I was watching. Oh, okay. I can't see your name for some reason. That's fine. Community, yeah boy. Alright. Let's see if I can get the textures from my old game to in this one. Because if that works out, the texture will be more similar to the actual game, and since the texture are going to be less realistic, it's not going to take as much bag load on the game, because currently it's taking a lot more. As you guys remember from the last stream, it crashed like 4 times actually, which was not good. I mean, it was because of the heat as well, but that also got me thinking, since it is a indie game. To be fair, it's not even an indie game. There's an indie studio. We are just one person designing the game. It's a me game. It's me, Mario. I don't know why I did that, but I did it. No regrets. I hope I don't get copyright because of it's me Mario. Why would I even get copyright for this? It's just weird. Like, who would copyright me for saying it's me Mario? Literally every gamer has said it once in their life. I'm not even lying. Ooh, I want to make a name for myself. I'm trying to nail the voice again. I can do a pretty good Russian though. Give me some Russian vodka, would you? Would you give me some Russian vodka? I want some Russian vodka with some Russian potatoes. Potatoes Russian. I once took a beer out of my hands, and the bear died. Bear died because the bear was trying to be mean. But bear is no more. Me Russian. I'm technically not Russian, but still. Alright. I'm gonna show you this bit, and right. That's the original game, right? You see these textures, these are so nice, right? So I'm gonna try to get these textures. Let's try to get these textures into that. Snap right, snap. Alright, let's see where did I keep the textures in there. That's fine. No to reality. Yeah. See, I have the platforms textures now, so which I can use. So I'm gonna carry this. Yeah, that's a texture. Okay, perfect. So I'm trying to make the game look less realistic, because technically it is a kind of not realistic game. Like switching between words, that's not realistic at all. So, don't be mean. Sometimes be's mean, and I don't like it. Last time it was very mean. Meeny, miny, mo. So, let's get this show on the road. Don't know which road, but it's meant to be a good road. Oh wait, I have that as well. Oh, that was perfectly green for happiness. That, and that's for later. Alright, let's get this here. I'm also gonna get this here so I can use it. This, and this. Already have that. I'm just gonna carry the level 1 for now, see how it's looking. Alright. Where is the what? Remove this, remove that. See how is it looking? Obviously our textures need to change and everything. I'm gonna show you what it's meant to, like this. Kind of dark, but not really dark. Obviously the walls are gonna change. try applying it on the walls. Why is it not applying on the walls? That's weird. What? You can apply on the floor, but it can't apply on the walls. Yeah, it did apply on. Yeah, see? Obviously, this is gonna change. Not like that. It's not applying here. It's weird. So it's not, it's applied here, but it's not applying here. It might be because of the LOD, but let's push try. Oh wait, yeah, kind of like that. See, kind of looks better, I think. Obviously it's not the texture and everything, but I can adjust the texture. And let's not change the stairs color. Let's change the pillars color. Stairs color is fine, to be honest. So, like, it's a bit of shading, but that's fine. Making it look as realistic as possible, because since it's the reality of the thing, it kind of feels like black looks better. I mean, black always looks better. But look at how it's looking. See? Right, let's try this, and it's not gonna take much on the system, because since it's just a normal shader, so it's not actually taking lots on the system. Yeah, I kind of like it. See, the reality looks a bit warped rather than the natural bits. Yeah, I kind of like it. I do like it. Oh yeah, I like it better than the old one, not gonna lie. The reality looks a bit warped, which I want it to look like. Okay, let's go up the stairs, buddy. Let's go up the stairs. I like it. Oh yeah, I really like it. Obviously that's gonna change, but yeah. That's how it should look like. Alright, since we've decided how the thing will look like, how about we discuss what we're gonna do today. Alright, the plans for today. Make the it's again gonna be just working on the levels, to be honest. Getting level 1 as good as possible. I'm trying to make sure the level 1 and 2 can work properly. Then we can start working on the checkpoints. How we want the checkpoints to work and everything. I'm still trying to figure out how I want the level 1 to look. Like level 1, what do you call level 1 fantasy world is kind of already made. I mean, obviously we're gonna add some stuff in between and everything, right? But level 1 stuff is already made. I do have a fuck. Give me 1 second. Sorry guys. I'm so sorry. I do have some things that I can add more. Let me just see if I can get the level 2 and level 3 stuffs in as well. Right, move. Just go small. Assets, that's fine. Let's get some stuff in. Let's get the level 2 reality in. That's fine. And let's come on. Let's get the level 3 reality in. Alright. Now I'm gonna close that and let's start working with. Should we start making the map of level 1? Because I guess it will be better if we just start making the map. What is this? Obviously we want the reality to be a bit warped. So let's make this black. Yeah, that's fine. So the main colors in this game is black and red, right? Let's just get these two in here. So in the original game, as you guys remember, the main boxes were black or red, right? That's how we designed the thing. In this one, it's going to be a fire. These are just simple animations, but let me see if I can add it. So that's how the background will work. So if I can that's the whole outline of level 2, right? We are not gonna do that. It's a different way we are doing the level 2, but it does give an idea of how we want the level to go. So that's the window. Don't need that. Don't need that, that's fine. Right, let's say she comes through here. She sees this sign which is called Welcome to Paradise City. We are not doing that, that's fine. I'm still trying to see. That's the level 2 sign, right? So it's gonna be. Let me what's this happen? obviously, how do I want her to go? So I'm still trying to wonder how I want everything to progress. Obviously, it's the enemy that needs to be chasing up it. So I'm still trying to think how I want the level design to go properly. But that's the original material for our box. See how it goes on actually. Alright, let's design the level. That's what we're gonna work on today. Not caring about the second level, not caring about the first level. We're just gonna design how we want the level to go. So the girl starts here, right? Let me duplicate this so she can't go. Change the angle. $300. Nope. So needs to be straight around 270. That's fine. Maybe a bit big. That's fine. Make her go here. Make her go here. That's fine. Let's see how it looks for now. And we'll start working on the level design. How we want the level to go on. So she starts here. That's fine. She sees these boxes. Nothing much. She sees these. Nothing much. Nothing much. You know what? I got an idea. She goes to the thing, and then we have the billboard, right? Not that, not that. This one. Not that, not that, not that. That's not the one I was looking for. That's for later. We don't need to worry about it. So let's design the level. She starts here. Does she need to go up? Does she need to go up straight away? I don't think she actually needs to go up straight away. Let's give her more freedom. Let's take this out, take this out, take this out. Let's do the lamps. And do you need that? But we're gonna keep it there for now. Not gonna lie, I kinda like the old theme better rather than this one. Rather than that ones, I'll have these ones. Kinda looks more dark if you get the gist. I want you to look as dark as possible. No pun intended. Don't try to cancel me. Let's just see how this looks for now, right? Let's see how this bit looks. So she's stuck, that's for later. She sees these, that's fine. Obviously these are boxes, we're gonna add more things. This is a reality, so there's gonna be enemies. Delete that. Let's try to make it go somewhere. If we add a window, so I do have a window, right? If I just see, oh, we are not that, not like that. Forget it. Here we have windows. Create post, that's fine. Some things like this. Obviously add bits and pieces to make the thing more realistic. Again, it's a reality. This is where we try to open up the things a bit more. So let's take, do we have that? So let's go to my level 2 reality. That was the original, right? And we try to get the what is this? Not with that. I do have a, sorry guys, I have something which I'd really like to see. Oh, there it is. So let's say entry, that's fine. That's good. Okay. So let's me show you what it kind of look like. Let's make it 180. That's fine. So I have this, right? Let's say I have this wall. Nothing much, and I add this to this. Don't need this roof component. I just have my normal wall with my normal wash center. Let's just remove component from this as well. Right, and then I take this. But it needs to be what is this? So it's actually a display of going like, oh, welcome to the city. So I would obviously want it to be. The thing is, I'm very shit with animation, so we already designed the animations, but I can't figure out where the animation went. So please just, oh wait, it needs to have an animator. It already has it though. So let me play it. Right. Let me play it and see if it actually goes on. Yeah, see? So let's, oh wait, I actually like it. So let's say she starts there. She sees this sign. Welcome home. You see everything stuck, Alright, we're getting there. We're getting a bit. Right, let's add it to this bit. What? Delete that. Where did we come from? I do need you. That's one later. We don't need to worry about it. Go back to my seats. Where's my glitch? So the play starts, right? And this goes like, oh, welcome home, whoever the girl is. That's how level 1 will start. And then we can go, obviously maybe try to make it a bit more. So let's make this thing a bit big. And where we'll see let's make it so whatever color it has, right? Why is there an animator on here? Does it need an animator? I don't need an animator on here. Okay, whatever this is, this, whatever element it does. Because as I said, it doesn't need to be this, that. Material of it. Let's make it. I do want to make it red, but I think if I make it red, everything goes red. Yeah, it does. So rather than, I do kind of like how it's red and this. So theme can be red and black, to be honest. See? Paradise City, welcome home. I'm too big of a thing. Right now I won't add this, and I'll add this to the thing, and I'll make that red. See? Kind of looks nice. And I will get it back to whatever I used. That's fine. Let me try adding it again. That here and that there. And let's make this red. See, I kind of like it. It looks nice. Obviously adding things in between. Let's add another wall, like right here. Yeah, that looks fine. It's enough so she can see the sign, but can't go through it. Yes. Let's add another wall right here. Well, see how it looks. So it's kind of a scary introduction to the thing. So welcome home. This wall, that's it. This thing goes through here. Oh yeah, that works. Obviously there's gonna be I'll try to add some buildings and make them black and red as I did with the thing. That's the enemy, that's for later. We'll worry about that later. So she comes out here, she sees this, she tries to get out, can't go there, says welcome home, welcome home Paradise City, can't go there, see, nice and easy. Alright, our level's coming along, at least level 1's coming along. Let's add like a small building. I should already have, oh wait, I do actually have. I have some. Oh yeah, I do have something that can work in my favor very well. Yes. I should have a level 1 full scene as well, because that contains more buildings. Level 1. Oh wait, oh wait, I have that. That can work really well in my favor. So I have this, right? If I add this color on there, it looks much better, doesn't it? Some shading might do it some well, but so the theme is red and black, right? That's how I want the whole thing to go. Let's make this red. That's the original materials. So level 1 theme is all red and black. I want it to be dark, I want it to look as gore as possible, because it is a dark game. What I'm trying to find is the buildings that I created during my time while I was working on this game. So in that way, they are 2D, right? So in that way, this won't take much load on the computer. And it will just stay in the background. If you get the gist. So I have this, right? Let me see. The thing is, I do have these things, but I can't seem to find them. Is this it? Let's try having this. I want to see how it looks from far away, because if it looks like a nah, it doesn't look good. This just looks like a fucking poster on the thing. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. No. Right, that's not it. Let's try. I should have some old buildings on me that I created during my. Alright, give me 1 second. I do have some old buildings on me. And they are very low poly as well. I was about to say low key, but the God of Hope. Not the God. Wait, no, he's the God of stories. Don't come at me for it. He's the God of stories. Let's see how many people are watching my stream right now. Oh, 1 person. Hello, how are you? No chats? Welcome to the chat room. Hello people, how are you? Yeah, I do have some. I do have my old. But yeah, I do have my old low poly atmospheric locations which I can use in the buildings as part of the building. So let me get them in. And since they're low poly, they shouldn't take much load on the computer, which kind of works in the favor. Right. Houses, buildings, so kinda add these around. So you see these around the thing, but obviously they're going to be low poly, so they are not taking that much load on the computer, and they're going to be, since she is kinda, so she will see them as red, and they should have some animation on. Should I add the okay, if it's so dark, right, the game's bit dark with everything, it's just gonna be red and black. It's confirmed. That I'm not gonna change. This theme is red and black. Location lands, no, I don't need that. Islands, mountains, plants. Do I need plants? No, I don't need that. Wait, do I need plants? Add like a couple of red, black bushes around. But why would bushes be red and black? That's just. Oh wait, grasses can be red. Grasses can be black. So like black grasses around. Around the thing. Alright, let's select a bunch of them and duplicate it, get it like this. So easy way to do it, just select all of them at once. And duplicate them again, Ctrl plus D that is. Let's try to get like this, so it does look like a real grass thing. And like that. So if I add them like sake. The thing is, I wanna get them all right at once rather than having to select so much shit. So you see how it selected the thing? It basically, if I get one of the thing wrong, then it selects the platform, and I don't want it to select the platform. Right. Get them here inside the building. inside like here, so she sees the grasses are. Do make them a bit smaller so she can roam around, so you can see. And what I'm gonna do is get them. Some big, some small, that's fine. Get them right. But I'm gonna combine them so they stay in a one big bit. Let's take the label down and go through here. I can't see anything. What the fuck is... There's too many things. Alright, take this down. Create empty. It's gonna be called plants. My caps lock is on, that's fine. Get the plants in. Go in plants. Right? So once I carry that, I can just duplicate it like this. So that's... Let's see how it looks first, right? Oh, welcome home. Comes to Paradise City. Sees this. Oh wait. Fuck's sake, they have a big trigger on them, but I don't want to. I will have to remove the trigger from every plant. I will have to remove the box layer from it. What I can do is just carry one big plant and one small plant if I can find one that's still big. Yeah, that's a small one. Okay. Get these here. Delete. Plant 4 delete, plant 3 delete, plant 2 delete, plant 5 delete, plants 1 delete, and this. Right, I just need 2. So that, duplicate. And remove the box collider on the remove component, same as this. Remove component. So there's 2 plants. One is going to be small, like a pit. Again, working on the first level. So one is small, one is big. No box colliders on them, that's fine. 2. We duplicate. Get them in. Duplicate. Get them in. 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 Again, duplicate. Keep duplicating until you feel like, oh, that's a big enough batch. Now I feel like that's a big enough batch. So then, look, I create an empty, right? I duplicate that and I have a big ass plant things like this. Don't need for that, don't need for that. Yeah. I really like today's stream because I think the level's coming along. I don't know how long I've been waiting for this. Ooh, about to make a name for myself. Right. Now they don't, any of them has box collider, right? So what we should be able to do is just get rice through them like this. It's obviously going to be dark, so that's fine. What we can do is make these buildings actually look like buildings. Since, I mean, obviously it's a dark environment, so you can't really see that buildings are actually buildings, but because they're casting a shadow on them. But we can change the directional light from there to here. Yeah, like that. So that should actually look like buildings now. So like this, they look like buildings. Obviously they're red and black. Again, that's the theme of the thing. Let's make... What material am I using on the buildings though? If I make them... There should be more than one material available on the things. Right, there's too many plants things, right? So what I'm gonna do is carry all of... not all of them to this bit. So just creates a big as plants thing. Then me carrying it all the way. And obviously building 1 to this goes on the level. I'm keeping, and this also deletes itself. That's for later. That also goes on the level. Again, that's for later. So our first task is getting out of the city. Oh wait, no, not adding me to the... Right. The thing is, it's just using one texture for everything. So I'm gonna make another on like my own. Wait, I already have it to be honest. There you are. But obviously, you see this. It doesn't need to be just black. It needs to be something more. It needs a mixture of black and red. So what we can do is we can get it like this thing in. Right, I have this, right? It's like a mount. I'm going, if I duplicate that and add this to here. Why does it look like that? That doesn't look very well. Right, let me see if I make it red. What does it look like? Nah, not. It does kind of sense it, but it's not as red as I want it. It does need to be a mixture of red and black. No, not really what I'm looking for. What if I do this? Oh wait, oh, problem solved. It's from the old thing that I added. So these are all backgrounds of the thing. How do we want the first story to progress though? We obviously want it. How do you want the first level to go like? Oh shit. Buildings. I need to create another one. Delete all of it. Building 1. I'm gonna create another empty. It's gonna be named buildings or buildings. Then I'm gonna get every building that I have that I want. So building, go to here and carry them in buildings. Once I have them in buildings, I'm gonna duplicate that and be able to just wait, what? No. And this, get these two in buildings as well. Right. Once I have the buildings, duplicate that, create a bit of a background. What that fucker? Not that, don't move that way. Move this way. Hey, see? Obviously that's not actually gonna happen. So how do we want the first level to progress? So she sees this, tries to get out of there. Don't need this fence. So first thing will be she tries to get out of the city, right? She tries to get out of the city, which is fine. First thing is first, she tries to get out of the buildings. Alright, let's try. The thing is that the game designing is you have to practicing how you want the stuff to happen. So she tries to get out of here. She sees these buildings, can't go through here, can't go through. But they're just gonna be in the background. They're not really part of the environment. They're all of them are gonna be in the background hence they're solo poly. So what we want to do is duplicate this wall, try to get it here, which we did. We want to make her go where we want her to go, right? Try to go here. She goes through here, she sees this grass, that's fine. Obviously the plants are plants. Let's try adding more plants in. That fits perfectly. Then where do we want her to go? She goes to the plants. Then try to get this and this in. Try to get it here again. She goes through the plants. Right here. We don't want her to go anywhere else, so we're gonna Oh guys, have you listened to Vultures 2 yet? My flatmate said it's bad, but I actually really like it. I don't know why people are kind of hating on it. It just released, let it age at least. That's what people said about Kendrick's new album, and Kendrick is my wallpaper. So, and people said that, oh, it's bad, we don't really like it, it's too sentimental. Like, fuck off. Just enjoy the work if you can. Because it's goated. I personally think it's goated. Alright. Let's get. Oh wait, that's not the material I want for these. This is the material I want for this. Where did I keep this? Here. Go here, not that. It cannot be more specific. Use that. What? How are you not choosing this box when I'm so close to the box? What? Choose the box. Choose this small box. No, okay. Let's. Wait, I didn't even try what it looks like till yet. Fuck it. Oh, fucking. So she comes through here, she sees, oh, welcome home. She goes through here, that's fine. Fine. Oh, that looks pretty good, not even gonna lie. Right. She goes through here, that's fine. And then we give her some stairs. Or do we give her a ladder? Let's give her some stairs. Again, it's her reality. That's how she perceives the real world. So it can be a bit dark, it can be a bit. So she gets out of this field, right? What does she see? What does she need to see? That's the main question. She's trying to get rid of her kidnappers. That's where I'm gonna add the flashlight. Like, right, aha, got an idea. So get another wall in. My laptop's heating up a bit. I'm gonna save it just in case it crashes. Shouldn't today because it's not that hot today, but still, you never know. Let's add this, and that's where I'm gonna keep the flashlight. So Where is my first person controller? Remove the flashlight from it, open prefab. Yes, you can open the prefab. Delete the flashlight, because I don't want to give her the flashlight straight away. And then here is where I keep the flashlight. Let's see. She goes through, she goes through, she goes through. Can't see anything, can't see anything. She finally sees building, but obviously can't go through them. She sees a flashlight here, like sitting right here, so she's gonna be like, oh, press, let's say E to carry the flashlight. Wait, how do I add the collect flashlight? Right. I think I can just add it in first person controller, which my original code, but let me just see. It's gonna be based on the box collider, obviously. Let's get to some coding, alright? Should be based on the box collider, right? And based on the box collider. I think we're getting off topic here. That's not even the thing we wanted to do today. First things first, we wanted to get the flashlight. That's what? No, what? To get the level right. But you know what? This part of the level is because first level is where she gets the flashlight. We already have a trigger, so all we need to do is collision. I'm gonna make a trigger, but that's for later. Collision dot game object dot name, and then we're gonna name the flashlight. What's wrong with name? No, let's not name it name. Let's name it tag. Tag would be much better. What's wrong with tag? What do you mean by can't be used as a method? It is used being as a method. That's what it's been used as all the. Oh wait. I'm sorry. See, sorry. That was my bad. You didn't do anything wrong. Then if I'm gonna add a text smash, but that's for later. If input, so what I'm trying to do is caps lock y is caps lock 1. If input dot get key down, let's make it f for flashlight, dot get key down, key code dot f. What's going on? Dot key code f. Then what I'm gonna do is make a void of saying collect flashlight. I'm gonna make a void called collects flashlight. So I guess let's get out of this. It's gonna be called void collect flashlight. Collect flashlight. Then what you're gonna do is so void collect flashlight. What's gonna happen is you attach the prefab to another prefab. So what should happen is, let me see. Okay, I do kind of remember how to do it, but let me just double check. So collecting something. Let's say collect. I'm gonna search collecting a gun on Unity, because we. Right, this video is from.
Hey guys, Dave here. So as you might know, I started a series on how to make guns with custom projectiles. And if you have a lot of different guns, you need a good system to switch between them. So today I'm showing you how to drop and pick up guns in Unity. Of course, this will also work with any other weapon or item. Now open a new, in my case it's called Body and Cam Range. And finally, you'll need a bool to check if the weapon is equipped, and a static bool to check fusing, but changing it in open minus less than your pickup, and it up the gun. Now inside of the pickup function, you want to set equipped and slot full to true. This will make sure that you can't pick up any other guns, because you now already have one in your hand. Also set rigid body to kinematic, so he doesn't move anymore. And make your collider a trigger. And don't forget to enable your gun script. Now just copy all of this to your drop function, but this time set everything to false. So this was the easy part of the script, but before we continue, I'll quickly show you something in Unity. So I've got my gun here inside of the camera, so it always moves with it. Now you want to make an empty game object and call it gun container. Then copy the transform component of your gun and paste it to your gun container, so that they have exactly the same position, rotation and scale. If you now drag your gun into the gun container, your gun transform will be at 0 on position, 0 on rotation and 0 on scale. But still, as you can see, nothing has changed in the scene here, because the gun container has stored the correct position. So every time you pick up a gun, you want to do exactly that, but via script. So you want to make the gun a child of the gun container and set the position and rotation to 0 and the scale to 1. And here's how we do that. Inside of the drop function, you then want to say transform.setParent null, because your gun shouldn't be a child of the gun container anymore. Now we definitely want to add a few forces to our gun to throw it away, but before we do that, let's set the current...
I just need a quick function. So that's the original thing, right? Projectile gun script media, rigid body, player, transform, container, FPS cam. That's what they try. So pickup range, that's fine. What I can do is, it's already connected to the player. Then what I can do is, rather than making the flashlight will always be part of the player, right? But there's another flashlight. We can just say, you know what? I've just figured out an easy way to do it. Let's see if it works. Thank you. You actually have a really good idea. What's the name again? Dave Game Development. I did figure out an easy way to do it. So let's see if it works, because I'm not too sure. So that's this, right? There's this, and I should have another one. Why did I delete it though? I still have it. Let's see if I can still get back. Ah, fuck's sake, fuck you, fuck you sideways. It just crashed. safe. Give me 1 second, we can load it up. I don't know why it keeps crashing, because it's probably because it's too hot, because it never crashed before. Continue. Let's try again. We're gonna make the flashlight work, and that's probably gonna be the end of the stream. So what I'm thinking is, rather than me having... See, do I have the flashlight? No. And can I get the flashlight? No, I can't. So what, there's a kind of an easy way to do this. I mean, so what I'm thinking is, I have a flashlight, right? Let's get a flashlight in, let's get here, that's fine. Make it a bit bigger. That's there, okay. Then you duplicate a flashlight and add it. Duplicate a flashlight and add it to the FPS, which is gonna be go to the player, wherever my player is. Where are you, boy? There you go. So that's the flashlight. Carry this here, rotate it. Can't see it that low. Let's make it 180. Yeah. Carry it like here. Too low. Too up. Let's just see he's right-handed. Make the scale a bit bigger, obviously. Right. And there's the flashlight. I mean, obviously needs to increase bulb material. This is gonna the flashlights, the light needs to be a bit stronger, but where was the light's original thing? First, let's see how strong it is, right? See, not that strong. It is kind of low, which is weird because mentally. Oh wait, it's not on the prefab yet. Not properly on the prefab yet. Let's open the prefab up. Alright, let's increase the intensity to like 3. Let's see how it's gonna look. It's too low. Let's make the flashlight go a bit up. So like there. Still, that's too hot. Like here. Let's see. Obviously, guys, you need to mess with it to figure out how you want it to go. But let's get it a bit back because like here should be perfect. Yeah, okay, perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we are gonna remove it, right? And we are and here we have the first flashlight, right? we're gonna have that, and we're gonna add a box collider around it. So box collider, which is gonna be a big trigger. Like this, and you're gonna name this trigger, right? And we're gonna let's tag it and name it flashlight. Add another tag called flash. Let's just call it light to avoid light. Yeah, right. Okay. Done. So what the code will be, right? Let me go to the code. So what our code will be, right? Collect flash. So if I give input and then flash, it's just light now. So if I get an input key, then game dot tag dot compare that, I think. Set active should be like dot, then set active game object dot tag set active dot false. Oh wait, no. What I need to do is, what did I do? Alright, this needs to be a public game object, which is going to be named light. Right. And light, it's going to be named light, and light dot set active will become false. And collect flashlight will occur. Now what we do, collect flashlight, what we'll do is, it's gonna name we are gonna name it light. Let's name it needs to be light, sorry. Then light, we're gonna name another light too, or let's call it main light to avoid confusion. Main light, then yes, main light 1, this one, then main light dot set active, this will become true. Right, that should be the easy way of the code. Let's try. So when I go near the thing, so nothing. I go near it, if I press F, I think I'm not close. Oh wait, for fuck's sake. I forgot I didn't have a null reference. Don't you fucking crash. Alright, flashlight goes here. Light 1 and main light is this one, flashlight 1. Technically should be fine. Let's try it again. I forgot to do it. I'm sorry. Oh guys, I got a new chair actually. I will name it Enigma. Alright, let's go here and press F. I think I'm not on the thing. I need to be on the thing. What's going on? What? I think the trigger's not big enough. Oh wait, is it trigger stay or is it trigger enter? Yeah, it's trigger enter, it needs to be stay. So this one will only occur if I trigger stay, but let's, just in case, let's make the box slider a bit bigger so it can trigger properly. Let's try it again. So when I go here, what's going on? Why is it not working? I mean, I did use the easy method, so maybe that's why. Let's see what's wrong. That is a trigger, that's fine. Maybe it's the tag. Yeah, maybe. Oh wait, yeah, it's fucked. What am I going? What the fuck is going on with me? I'm going fucking dumb. Didn't even know that it was happening. Sorry guys, been a long time. Hey! Worked. See? Alright. Easy peasy. Not easy peasy, but we go here, nothing's going on, nothing's going on, nothing's going on. Then this is the flashlight. Collect F for flashlight, and we have the flashlight in hand. See? Nice, right? Why did I just walk through the wall? That's fine. Alright guys, we have a working flashlight. We can collect the flashlight. We're gonna add a text box on it so we can see that it's gonna happen. Currently this is what the level looks like. It's not much to be honest, but it's getting there. We are actually I'm very impressed with how it's going by now. But why doesn't it have box letters on them? Which is weird, it should have box letters on them. I'm just gonna add box letters so it knows that. Most of them does, but some these balls doesn't, which is weird. Alright. And obviously, welcome city. So currently this is what the level looks like for now. She starts here. Why do I don't know why I have this, but she starts here. Can't go there. There's a sign going welcome home. She starts here. Can't see anything. Then she sees this. And then she goes F to collect it. Needs to be a bit closer. Yeah, F to collect it. Then she can collect the things. Right, I think that should be enough for today's stream. Do you guys want me to add more? I can actually I'm kind of in the zone, so I'll try to add more things. Let's see. I'm probably gonna make we have this in the middle, which I don't want. Save the scene. I'm gonna add some prefabs to it, but what can we add? Wait, let's get the brick and everything in. Let's get them down. So what I'm thinking is, rather than having this, right? Oh, no, no. Oh, it crashed again. Great. Yeah. Again, it's too hot, so I'm not blaming it to crash. But obviously, there's so many things happening in the. Yes. Alright, guys, I'm probably gonna end the stream here because it crashed. But let me just see where I'm at. What's going on? I don't want to open that. Fucking, oh, fuck's sake. Oh, sorry, sorry. This one's. One second. No. Yeah, back. Alright, let's get this. This and this. Let's make them go a bit further to each other. That's fine there. Let's get. See, it's the LED that I can create so much problem with chat because I don't need the LEDs. For now at least. This doesn't work around. Oh, it does. Let's get this here. So she's going through a field. This is obviously gonna see. And make her. So once she goes through the field, she can. She can see where it is. Let's see how it looks. Welcome home, welcome home. Oh wait, just check now. Let's go. She's going there, she can't see shit, she can't see shit, she can't see shit. Oh, she sees this. Oh wait, it's a flashlight. Why can't I collect it? Oh, it's back to the null reference bit, so it didn't save from that bit. So simple things, make this trigger is light, FPS controller is there, and this probably should be a problem. Wait, that's not a problem. Where is the null reference coming from? Oh, that's the whole null reference. It's probably a trigger problem. Yeah, I thought so. See, the trigger is a bit too small, so that should fix it. Oh, welcome home. Thank you. Going to here, going to here, going to here. Collect it. There's the enemy. You don't need to worry about him right now. Right. Alright guys, that should be enough for today. That's what we worked on. I am Vedant Chauhan and we are Vortex. That's what the game looks like for now. We are working on it. It's getting better day by day. I think it looks pretty good for day 7. But yeah, that's what the game looks like. Thank you for joining. Again, I'm Vedant Chauhan. I'm co-founder of the Vortex. Our idea is to design the games, program the games, but you guys decide how you want the games to progress. How do you want the story to go? How do you want everything to go? And currently there are no chats, so I'm just going with the flow. But I hope you guys enjoy and thank you for joining. Let me just... Bye people!